woke up like this, literally. So last night I slept out on this balcony here on this cot. We thought that it would be pretty cool to be able to stay in a proper Hawaiian resort. The only problem with that is that they are super expensive, and my family, being the cheapskates that we are, decided to cram into this room like rabbits, all 6 of us on 2 queen beds. Luckily we were able to get a cot, and it fit perfectly out here on this porch. So I said, hey, I'll sleep out there. It feels amazing out. It's not too hot. There was a nice breeze all night, and I always sleep with a fan on anyway. But it was an amazing sleep, I'm not gonna lie. It got pretty windy last night at times, but I just had this thin little blanket on. No complaints. I feel refreshed right now. I feel pretty rejuvenated just like waking up outside to this fresh air. I haven't even had any coffee and I feel fantastic. So the mission for today, the mission for right now rather, is to hit the beach with my drone and get some epic shots. There's like a cliff area that I'm gonna go to, and then I'm just gonna fly down the beach a bit, maybe over the pools of the resort a bit before the people start coming out, because obviously if you're flying a drone, the guests aren't going to be too happy. Morning.
5 o'clock is when you want to get up to come out here.
Oh yeah, was it beautiful this morning?
Gorgeous.
I missed the sunset and sunrise.
You did.
Well, you missed the color portion.
Oh man, yeah, I saw from my balcony. I was trying to get out here.
We got up at 4:30 this morning.
It was worth it though.
Yeah.
And
It was.
flashlight.
Flashlight, you need that?
Yeah.
It's dark probably when you're coming out here.
Well, my plan was I brought 2 flashlights to hit tide pools
Look at
at
that.
night.
Oh, nice. That's beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful?
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm glad you guys caught it though.
Well, now you have future reference.
Now I know. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
Hey, have
day.
a great time.
I'm gonna meditate because I haven't in like over a week, and I was trying to get better about that for a while and I've slacked off. So I'm gonna do it right now, and what better place to do it than on these cliffs overlooking the ocean. It is easy to forget that we are one of just over 7 billion people. Know this life is shared. Know this life is precious. I use the app Headspace to meditate. I'm way too ADD to be able to meditate without using some type of guidance. My mind would just wander everywhere. So Headspace has these guided meditation packs, and lately whenever I get on to meditate, I'll just do the daily meditation pack that they recommend. And today's one was about the connectedness of life. So it just started out saying, you are one of 7 billion people who are here, but we're all in this together. We all want happiness. We all want a full life. We all want the same things, more or less. With each of these lessons, they kind of are just letting these ideas sink into your brain, and that's why I like Headspace a lot. So yeah, if you were looking to become more present, which I think everyone should, because it's been shown to improve your overall happiness by meditating, and it is really hard at first to get into it, and especially if you step away from it for a while, it's hard to get back into the flow of it. But I've seen the benefits firsthand, just in myself. And even like if I'm stressed or I really am kind of anxious and I don't want to meditate or sit, like my mind's just running and I want to do something or have stimuli to my brain from my cell phone, like watching YouTube videos or whatever. But whenever I force myself to sit down and just feel where I am, feel my weight, breathe, I always leave the session feeling better. I thought I'd mention that in this video because this session was all about the interconnectedness of everyone and helping everyone be better and how we can all benefit from each other. So that's why I decided to mention that. Okay, everybody say goodbye to Kauai. Bye, Kauai. Bye, hotel.
We're not leaving yet.
Right?
No, not yet.
When are we leaving?
3 more hours.
Oh. And then where are we
3
going?
hours of fun and sun.
Where are we going after that?
The Big Isle.
The Big Island.
Isle.
Where all the volcanoes are exploding and erupting.
Okay, let's try for the rest of the afternoon. No sarcasm. Ready, go.
Okay, no more sarcasm the rest of the afternoon.
Good luck. Oops. Already lost.
Okay.
I'm still bitter that I didn't get a Leah. Or
A lay.
A lay.